This is our trend for the day on EURJPY. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like and share. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on the subscribe button. Click also on the bell notification so you'll stay updated. Now for the day, we will be expecting Euro USD and EURJPY to open and close bearish again for the day. Now, one of the reasons why we'll be expecting that movement is that when you take a look at the what the like correlation, especially on our Euro USD, you will see that Euro USD is actually giving us that sell. I've actually done the analysis, right? If you have not watched Euro USD analysis, check the channel so you watch it and you understand why we are expecting that sell. So Euro USD will be giving us more sell. So because of that, then we should be expecting similar movements on our Euro JPY, right? So because Euro USD will be giving us more sell, we should be expecting Euro JPY to actually give us more sell. Now take a look at this Euro JPY. This is the one of market opening and closing bearish, the 2 of market opening and closing bearish, the 3 of market opening and closing bearish, the 4 of market opening and closing bearish. This is the 5 of market opening and closing bearish. Now for day 6 that we are trying to predict, right? We should also expect market to open and close bearish. So a sell for the day is what we should be anticipating for on our EURJPY. Although the main trend, bigger trend says that we are in an uptrend move. That is the full bigger picture says that it is an uptrend move. But we will take a look at this our current movement, and this current movement says us as selling, which is a downtrend move. Now let's take a look at it this way here. So if this is the low on EURJPY, here comes the lower high, right? This is our lower low, and here comes the lower high. So with this, market has now dropped to give us an equal low right here. You can clearly see that market has given us an equal low, right? So once market finish, we should be expecting it to drop further down and eventually complete the lower low. So a new lower low is what we should be expecting next on our EURJPY. So guys, more sell for the day is what we should be watching out for our EURJPY. If a London section opens and you see your sell setup, go ahead and take the sell. If it is in the New York section, the sell setup plays out, then you can still go ahead and take the sell because we are still anticipating for more bearish movement on our EURJPY. More updates will be covered for this. So in order for you not to miss out on those updates, click on the subscribe button.